Hey everyone, it's cold and rainy outside. Decided to make minestrone soup. Ingredients. Recipe, we're using pasta, fire roasted tomatoes, potatoes, garlic, carrots, celery, onions, a little bit of water, and a splash of rum. We're going to use bay leaves, basil, umami, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese at the end. Now our soup's done and it looks great. The minestrone smells great. I can't wait to give this a try. I like basil, so I'm going to add some basil to mine. And I'm also going to add some Parmesan cheese to mine. Even though you see us drink on the show, please drink responsibly and try not to burn down your kitchen. Like us and subscribe to us, as it really does help. See you next time on Drinking and Cooking.